Hey there folks, back again for another amazing tutorial going down the rabbit hole with Suno.ai, and it's here, version 5.5, the version we've been waiting for so long. Suno has finally released it. What's new in Suno version 5.5? Today we've launched version 5.5, our best and most personal model yet. It powers 3 new features: voices, custom models, and my taste. Now, voices is still in its beta version, but is the most requested feature we've ever built. Record or upload your own audio, and Suno will let you sing your own creations. Does that mean your voice in Suno? No studio, no mic, no setup required, just your voice. I think they're saying this is it, the holy grail of your own voice on AI music. Just to get started, go to create and hit the plus voice button. Okay, Suno, let's do this. I want to create my own voice in Suno, so let's go and create. All right, now we're in Suno. We're going to quickly go into Suno. It says here, add your voice to the mix. Try now. Here we go. I'm a little bit pensive. Add your voice to the mix. Record or upload a sample, and we'll use this content to influence how your generated songs sound. Okay, so the keyword there is influence. So it's not actually your voice. They're going to regenerate your voice and add it to the mix. Okay, so you have to sign this waiver. I understand the creation of a voice involves the processing of voice release data that may be considered biometric information under certain laws, and I consent to the collection and processing of such information in accordance with Suno terms of service and privacy policy. Of course, I want Suno to use my voice. So I'm just going to click that, and it's going to open up the options to record, upload audio, and select from a library. Let's go and record. Here we are. Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn down the light and lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake in the morning, will she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? All right, there's the snippet for Suno. Sometimes late at night, I lie awake and... Okay, we're going to use that as our vocal guide into Suno. It wants us to read this out loud. Harmony flows through the melody of my voice. Harmony flows through the melody of my voice. Harmony flows through the melody of my voice. Time's up. Submit. I'm getting so excited. Suno is now verifying that it's my voice that we've uploaded, that we have recorded, and we've uploaded. Fingers crossed. This actually sounds like me. Now, I'm happy to get to 90%. I'm happy to get to 95%. I would love to get to 99%. But if we get 100%, oh man, I am all in on this one. All right, so now Suno has uploaded the track. We're going to go and add my name to that. So personas have been changed to voice, so our voice is now in there. Here's my lyrics. Here's my style. I'm going to keep the weirdness down to 0. Style influence, keep it there. And audio influence, it's very loose. We want to keep it moderate. We want to keep it up and strong to sound very much like me. The song is Count on Me, Count on AI 2.4. All right, here we go with my voice on Suno. If you find any of this content interesting, educational, helpful, or entertaining, subscribe to the channel, share the content, like the content, and as we continue down the rabbit hole, we'll discover more and amazing ways of having so much fun with Suno. Okay, Suno has now regenerated our track using my voice. World premiere of my voice in Suno.
Oh, you can always count on AI when you need to pick me up.
Does that sound like me? Do I sound like that? Maybe if I'm fully produced and I've got loads of auto-tune on there.
You can always count on AI when you need can always count on AI. When you need a pick-me-up, you can always count on AI. When you need to fill your cup.
Okay, first listen, I'm going to say 40%. It's got my tone, but it doesn't have my timbre. And it's a male, and I'm going to say a deep baritone, but I don't think it quite hits what I was thinking it was going to hit. It's definitely not 90%. Let's go to version 2.
You can always count on AI. When you need a pick-me-up, you can always count on AI. When you need to fill your cup, you can
It sounds like someone I know, but it doesn't sound like me. I mean, I can show that to my friends, and I'm confident they will say, no, that's not you. But it does sound like someone I know.
always count on AI. When you need a pick-me-up, you can always count on AI. When you
I do like the production though. 5.5, your production is on point. That neo soul house groove is on point.
need to fill your cup.
So there you go, Suno version 5.5, the ability to upload your own vocal and for Suno to regenerate your vocal or a replication of your vocal. That to me isn't quite there yet, but I'm going to continue with Suno. As we go down this rabbit hole, if you liked any of this content, if you think that it was educational, helpful, entertaining, like the content, share the content, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm confident I will see you in the next one. Ciao.